Hi, here's a short video how to connect ManyChat to Klaviyo. We just set it up for a client and I wanted to record this also as a record for myself and to help others because I know there's many people interested um, in this integration. So we are using Zapier here because there's no native integration yet. However, I know it's coming. For now, we are going to use Zapier. So here I'm in Zapier. I started my Zap. I'm just gonna name it here, ManyChat to Klaviyo test recording. Okay, so we are gonna start with the first trigger is ManyChat. And we need to new or updated custom field. We already have, I need to add that we already have our chatbot set up where we are collecting email addresses in a custom field. So the purpose now is to connect to funnel these emails from ManyChat to Klaviyo and connect it to the list that will fire a welcome sequence, because I want to create separate lines of communication. I want to have the ManyChat and Klaviyo kind of complement each other so we can really maximize the sales. Okay, so save and continue. Now it will ask me choose trigger, choose account. And here, I think we need to email. We already mapped it out in ManyChat, so we have this email subscribers. So I'm adding this and then continue. And here load samples. We already tested, so we have one email in the system. And now when I click here, I should be able to see my subscriber. My son just subscribed. And when I'm scrolling down, it's mapped, it's email subscriber, and that's his email. So this part works, okay? So now I'm gonna continue. And now a second step is I need to add a filter. And it's this one. And the conditions for the filter are only continue if, and then save. And then the filter setup is user custom field email subscriber. User, so here, user custom field email subscriber. And then this is gonna be this. I never know how to pronounce it. Okay, so that takes care of this. And now we're gonna continue. And the last step is connecting Klaviyo. Oh, I think I have some errors here. Filter. Okay, test and continue. Okay, and step 1 has an error that requires attention. Step 1. Options. You can chime in. My son is here sitting next to me. Let me see. Where did we go wrong here? Email subscriber. Yeah, it's all good. Continue. Yeah, this is all good. Okay, and then continue here. And this is good. And then continue. Use customer. Yeah.
It's good.
Now it's good. What did we do different? I don't know. I don't. Okay, but here. That. Okay, and now we're gonna add Klaviyo. And we're gonna do add a subscriber. There we go. Okay, we already connected with the first setup. We connected Klaviyo and Zapier through an API. So that's why it's automatically pulling. If not, then you have to go connect an account and just go through the steps. That's pretty self-explanatory. Save and continue. And here we're gonna pull our list. So I'm gonna do MailChimp, ManyChat list. And now here's an important step where I need to map out the customer field. So here I am going to scroll down to use custom fields email subscriber. Here I can add the first name. I'm gonna add the last name. I can keep going, but I don't really care about much of that right now. And I'm just gonna click continue. And that's it. Set test to Klaviyo. So since we already tested this and I know it's there, I'm pretty sure that works. If you repeat these steps and there is an error, please let me know. But I don't have here Klaviyo set up and I don't want to really go into it right now, but this is it. This is really simple way to connect ManyChat with Klaviyo, and you can start collecting those subscribers and then sending them your promotions through ManyChat, and in parallel you can set up welcome sequence and trying to convert them this way. I hope you guys like it. My son is sitting next to me and he was helping me with it, and yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please post them below. Thank you.